Right, so here we have his new kit. So this is Boomracing edition, the BRX02 Land Rover Series 3. So I've just got this delivered today. Right, so as you can see here, this is the kit. So it shows you a good description there of the chassis and everything. That's the body. I think the body's the hard bit. And this is my personalised registration number and personalised plates to go on the front and back, which can be registered with Boomracing. So there it is. A little picture on that side as well. So let's get in here. There we are inside the new old. So that's the first little box out. So I've got the manual in there. Stickers, full instructions. This looks like a full instruction booklet for the body, which I think is nearly as big as the instruction booklet for the chassis. So this is the body. And it looks like I'm just in time. I've got the hood there for the spare wheel. So inside here, the booklet here for the chassis. Quite a detailed booklet there. Some more decals there, stickers. And this is what you get inside. I'll give you chassis parts. That looks like it's got suspension. Other just bits and pieces. In there all the greases and silicons and tools. These are the tyres. So they feel quite good. So they're not fully assembled, but you can see in there the foam's in there. Quite sticky tyres. So they are bead locks. So they look nice. Underneath there, so there we've got both the pre-built axles, pre-built gearbox. So the pre-built gearbox, actually that's not pre-built, that's just a housing. All the gears are to put in there. these are pre-built, quite heavy, but very nice. Front axle there. Quite a bit of weight to that as well. Quite good turning radius on them. Very good turning radius. So that's the receiver box. Put your receiver in, and that makes it, then you can waterproof it up and everything's waterproof. It does come with one mini server, that's for the selection of first and second gear. These are sticky tyres. It comes with this little box again, whatever this is. So this is a full tool set. I didn't know I was going to get that, so that's a bonus. It's a good little tool set as that. And all the other hardware. So I'll just put all this lot back in the box. I've already read the instructions and decided where I'm going to start. So here we are with the first stage of the build. So the first stage is the chassis rail. So I've got all the parts laid out and ready in front. So let's just follow the instructions and begin. So if we start off with right hand side rail, we start off at back. So I've got every gate linears. That's fine. I'll put it on time then. So that's one half done. I'm not going to film other half, I'll build the other half up myself. The quality of this is just something different. This is the first time I've built one of these kits, and the quality is just outstanding, really good quality. So I'll catch up with the other half and then we'll go from there. Right, we've got both sides done now, so now we're on to the next stage, fitting all these components here to get the two pieces of the chassis together. So this screw here, it is stripped in there. I didn't really over tighten it. The thread wasn't very good, but I've put plenty of Loctite on, so I just have to hope that that keeps it all stuck together and rigid. So there we are, that's the end of that stage. Really secure, really nice, really strong. Right, so next stage is the bumpers. So that's the chassis part done now, so the next part then is the gearbox. Right, so now we're on with the gearbox. So next stage is to do front axles and leaf springs. So I just thought I'd show you this here. So I've already taken these leaf springs apart, taking 2 springs off each one, as I'm going to set it up for the standard weight. Also, I've got to turn these C hubs 10 degrees, push them back on, which I'm going to do off camera because that could take a bit of fiddling about. And I'd just like to show you this little thing here. So this is a little adapter that you get, and what this is for, this is to put your ball joints into your rods. So we'll get a screw, we'll get this ball. Now we get this tool. We'll just tighten this round until it pops in. So there we are. So there we've got the ball in there. So you can also use these, if you use them the other way around, put it on there, put the ball through, and that also removes them as well. So, never seen one of them before, nice little gadget. So next job for these then is to go into rods. So actually something I've just seen there, these nylon rods have got letters on the end. The letter on these is B's. I just noticed the letter on these is A's. So I have got the wrong ones. There's an A. There's an A.